In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use SEO tools to optimize your Shopify or WooCommerce site. Whether you're looking to boost your rankings or drive more traffic to your store, using the right SEO tools can make a huge difference. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal the one tool I recommend, and you can grab an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about keyword research. To optimize your Shopify or WooCommerce site, you need to know which keywords your audience is searching for. SEO tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs let you search for high traffic, low competition keywords. You can use these tools to see what your competitors are ranking for and choose the best keywords for your site's products. For Shopify, there are also tools like Plugin SEO that can help automate this process. Once you've identified your target keywords, the next step is to optimize your product pages. This is crucial. With both Shopify and WooCommerce, you want to make sure that your product titles, descriptions, and meta tags are optimized for SEO. Using a tool like Yoast SEO for WooCommerce or the SEO Booster app for Shopify can guide you through this. These tools allow you to easily tweak your titles and descriptions to ensure they're SEO friendly. Another key part of SEO is content. It's important to create engaging content that's both informative and optimized. Using SEO tools, you can find content gaps in your niche. Tools like Surf SEO allow you to compare your content against top-ranking competitors and see where you can improve. For Shopify users, adding blog posts is a great way to improve SEO and target long-tail keywords. If you're using WooCommerce, don't forget to regularly update your blog posts to keep your site fresh and relevant. Let's talk about technical SEO. If your site is slow, it's going to hurt your rankings. Tools like Google PageSpeed Insights can show you where your site is lagging and how to fix it. For Shopify, make sure your images are optimized, as large image files can slow down your site. WooCommerce users can use a plugin like WP Rocket to speed up their site by optimizing images and caching pages. Internal linking is another big SEO factor. Both Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to link to related products within your store. Make sure to use descriptive anchor text and link to relevant pages that can improve your site's SEO. For example, linking to your best-selling products from blog posts or product pages can help drive more traffic to those pages. Now, let's talk about backlinks. Backlinks are still one of the most important ranking factors in SEO. Tools like Moz or Majestic can help you track your backlink profile and find opportunities to get high-quality backlinks. For Shopify stores, consider reaching out to bloggers and influencers to get mentions and links. For WooCommerce sites, guest blogging and partnerships are great ways to build backlinks that boost your rankings. Before I wrap up, here's the key takeaway. SEO is not a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process that involves keyword research, on-page optimization, content creation, and technical fixes. Keep using the best SEO tools to track your progress and make improvements where needed. And don't forget, I've partnered up with an SEO tool that I've personally used and recommend. You'll find an exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it and follow along to really optimize your Shopify or WooCommerce site. To recap, use the right SEO tools to research keywords, optimize your product pages, create great content, speed up your site, improve your internal linking, and build backlinks. If you want to get started today, grab that free trial in the description. Thanks for watching.